Hey guys, today we're in the shop talking about wheel spacers for ATVs. Now there's a few reasons that people install these onto their machine, whether it's for better looks or more width for stability, or sometimes people put bigger tires on their machines and they need some turning clearance. So those are the benefits you're going to be getting with these wheel spacers. Now these can potentially add a little bit of stress to your wheel bearings, so be aware of that. But to get these installed, it's simple to do. All you have to do is remove your wheel. You're going to add a little bit of Loctite to your existing stud. You're going to set the spacer in place, and then you're going to torque the original fasteners to the spacer using your original torque specifications outlined in your manual. And to get everything torqued down, we're just using a pry bar on these wheel studs to hold everything in place. Once you've done that, all you have to do is reinstall your wheel. Now, you can see on our machine, we've already added width to the back. We installed an adjustable width racing axle, and that's why we decided to go with these 30mm wide Tusk wheel spacers, and it just kind of balances out the machine. And that's how easy it is to install these wheel spacers on your ATV. Again, this is an easy way to get the benefits that we talked about earlier. They're inexpensive, and if you go to order them, you're going to want to type your year, make, and model in on our website to make sure you're getting the correct ones for your machine. And be aware they're also available in different widths. So you want to look at that and choose the width that best suits your needs. And then the other thing you need to know is they're sold in pairs from front to rear. So with that being said, we offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.